खरं नाहीये.
Today's session, what we are basically going to look into is a very different theorem, which I had very briefly shared with you long back, but some based on a chart which I had made almost like 8 or 10 months back. Okay, that time we had not utilized it, but day before yesterday something happened which I shared with you all on the group, because of which this suddenly thing came up. Okay, this chart suddenly came up, and that chart I have shared with you all. Plus, I have simplified it and put it in the Karaka PDF which I gave you. Okay, so basically, I'll tell you how to read that chart, how to utilize it, and then you obviously will need to document it on a regular basis and share it within limits, whatever, as always, to see how it works. Okay, now there are basically just 2 points over here to remember. Okay, and if you can understand these 2 points, which are very simple, you'll understand how to use it. Okay, first point is how to read that chart. You all know how to read the chart, but थोड़ा सा अलग सोच के करना है. So let me just share a chart and then we talk on that. So can all of you see the chart here? Yeah. So basically what I'm trying to say is, can all of you see the screen? Okay. Now just understand, I'm using very simple, what do you say, language to make you understand what I'm trying to. Once you understand, you'll be okay. This is the native himself. This house is the native. This house is a native's mother. This house is the native's house of illness. Correct? So if we calculate, it is basically the fourth house from where he is his mother. The sixth house from where he is his illness. So the sixth house from his mother is the house of his mother's illness. Okay. Are you all understanding? So basically, just we'll go step by step. इतना समझा? Okay. Now, again another example. This is the native. This is the native's child. Okay. We'll just keep that sickness wala house just to get a this thing. This is the house of illness. Correct? So again, so basically the fifth house to the native is his child, and the sixth house is his illness, native's illness. So from the child, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this house becomes the house of the child's illness. Correct? Are you understanding? If anyone has not understood, unmute karo. I'll repeat it again. I'll repeat it again. Or maybe I'll draw it only. Maybe that might make it easier. This is the native. This is the native's child. This is the native's house of illness. So the native's illness, basically, if you just see this and this, is the sixth house from where he is. So his child's house of illness will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll take one more example. Let's say this is the native. Okay, and let us say, let's say this is the house of effort. Okay, house of effort. So 1, 2, 3. This is the house of effort. This is the native's wife. So 1, 2, 3 will be the house of the spouse's effort. Okay. So basically, what you have to do is, if you consider, now let us talk about ourselves. So when we are talking about ourselves, so your house 1 is connected to 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, it is connected to you. Like second house is the house of your piggy bank. Second house is the house of your family. Correct. Second house is also the house of your speech. The third house is of your younger siblings, of your efforts, of your expenses. Fourth house of your mother, luxury, so on and so forth. So same config if you rotate and connect it to any relative which is there in the house. Like fourth house is your mother, fifth house is your children, seventh house is your spouse, ninth is the father. Okay. So if one, two, three, four, your fourth house is your home atmosphere or your car, let us say. If you want to find out your father's property or your father's car, then ninth house is 4 लेंगे. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12th house becomes your father's vehicle or your father's house of luxury or your father's car or whatever it is. This is the first theorem which you have to understand, which I have totally simplified by giving you that chart. ये जो chart मैंने share किया है, उसके अंदर सब है, and इसको और simplify किया है, where I have given you the कारक का this thing houses, where on the second page, now in the print you won't see the color, but ये जो नीचे का line है ना, नीचे का line जो है, there I have written everything. Like for example, your house number 1 is your mother's house number 10. How does that happen? Your house number 1, okay, is your mother's house number 10. I'll share the chart. Your house number 1 is your mother's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or like this is donkey, monkey way if you want to do it is your mother's 1, 12, 11, 10. Okay, so your first house is your mother's 11th house. Okay, we'll take one more example in that. Your first house I have said is your kid's 9th house. So this is you, this is your kid. If you count it monkey way, 12, 11, 10, 9. So your first house is your kid's way. Now let's take some arbitrary thing. So let us take your 8th house and let us take your mother-in-law's 11th house. Okay. So basically mother-in-law is also, let's not take mother-in-law, it will become a little complicated. Let's take a simple one. Let's say this is your 8th house. This becomes your son's or your kid's 4th house because this is your kid 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? So this is part 1. So you have to understand how this is there. Now the second thing, which is actually the theorem. Okay, now just pay attention. I told this long time back when I spoke to you about activation and utilization of a house. Whenever you do any karya, any action you do, you activate that specific house. Barabar? Like you get married, your 7th house you have activated. You fall ill, your 6th house has got activated. Okay, whatever. You get into a job, your 6th house has got activated. You get into a business, your 7th house has got activated. Okay, so on and so forth. So basically, whenever you do something, that person meets with an accident, 8th house gets activated. Some gains come, 11th house gets activated. Barabar? So this way, you, because of your action, you activate some specific house. Now, like we said that your first house has repercussions or connections with the other 11 because your house is your 4th house is your property, 6th house is your illness, 7th house is your spouse, they are all connected. So when you activate any specific house, it has repercussions below, your reactions below, or whatever with the other 11. Okay. So the other 11 houses have that connect, like I told you just now, with you, your spouse, your kid, your father, your mother, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, your friends, and then subsidiary going on and on and on. Like if you want to find your mother-in-law, then it becomes your mother's mother or your wife's mother. So 7 say 4, so 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10th will become your mother-in-law. That's why I didn't want to take mother-in-law because that would have been complicated. But so basically, what I'm trying to say is when a specific house of yours is activated, voluntarily, involuntarily, whatever, it has repercussions on the other. So now how to read this paper is basically, if you just look at the first row also, okay. Now let's not take the first row. Let's take 6th row. It is your house of your illness. Barabar? So basically, how you need to read it is when you fall ill, your sixth house has got activated. Sixth house is house of short-term illness. Eighth house is house of long-term illness. So short-term illness. Sardi hua, khasi hua, whatever, chota mota, something has happened. Okay. Your mother's third house gets activated. Like I shared my own story with you all. When my Krabi passed away, my sixth house got activated because sixth house is the house of Ketu, sixth house is the house of dog pet. So mother ka third house gets activated. So mother ka third house, whatever, there are so many Karakattva, one of it will get activated. So short travel, like I told you, whatever it is. Father's 10th house gets activated. If we just take one line, we'll just take a. So one of the Karakattva of 10 will get done. You also need to see from the physical point of view, event point of view, and relation point of view, which if you remember in KP, I told you those three things. Each box or each house has got some relation, some body part, and some event. So father's 10th house. So if you see body part, maybe something related to knee could have happened. Okay. If you say relation, so that basically father का ये आ गया. 10th house is there is no relation as such unless you put the father only there. Sometimes like I said 9th and 10th you have to see. And event happening is 10th house is the house of karma, your workplace. So something related to workplace or something related to government or something related to superior. Okay. It is also you also now from the Lal Kita point of view you need to see the pakka ghar and uch ka. So उधर pakka ghar किसका है? शनि का है. If you remember that equator, moon, Saturn offset करके Jupiter. So Saturn आते होंगे. So basically father's 10th house has got activated. यानी something related to father's body part or event or relation has come into play. So it could mean body part could be something related to his knees. Event could be anything related to government event or some status related event or whatever or work related event. Or a relation bola to it could be his father also, maybe, whatever. Okay, let's take one more over there. Spouse ka 12th house. How does it become 12th house? Your 6th house, spouse is 7th house, 6th house is, excuse me, I'll sneeze once more, I'm sure. 6th house is the 12th to that. So spouse is 7, no? So 7 से donkey जैसे करो तो your 6th house becomes her 12th house, or you just jump one before it becomes her 12th house or his 12th house. So his or her 12th house has got activated. Okay. So anything related to 12th house, body part, relation, or event will happen. समझ में आ रहा है? This is all that there is to it. And I think if we can get this, it will help a lot because let us say the wife's 12th house got activated. So her ankle part might have got hurt. And we do not understand what is the source of it. What is the source of it? Something in my 6th house has happened. That is why my wife's 12th house has got activated. You understand? So this is something which just came to my mind. Okay, I was watching some video and at the same time my wife came up with this thing that her leg was hurting and then both these things suddenly put into place and I opened the earlier this thing. What is it called? That big chart which I had shown you. This chart which I shared with you. This is all that there is to it. You don't need to do that first part because I've already done the donkey work for you of compiling everything over here. This is the entire thing. This is a very massive thing. The same bloody thing has been put in one line over here. Even if you see this one line, that is okay. You need to probe deeper into it. Then I have told you the technique in the first step which I told you. But otherwise, normal जो है ना, अभी what do you want to do कि your mother's father's cousin को क्या हुआ तुमको क्या करना है? तो वो छोड़ दो. As long as your immediate that shell which is there, you understand that is fine. No? Your father, mother, your child, your spouse, mother-in-law, father-in-law, grandfather, grandmother, इधर तक ठीक है. उसके आगे मेरे हिसाब से तो जाने का मतलब है तुमको माथा पड़ी करने का कर सकते हो. But even if you can understand how to read this one line what I have read, bas, that is all I have to say. Now you can ask. Any questions?
So, Manish, today morning only, surprisingly, like I went through this. I was going through that Jupiter wala chart. You sent long back. उसमें हर एक हाउस का था, and then the last part was this part also, like what you were saying ना, कि your sixth house. तो I was trying to relate it to कि the way you were saying कि your wife ka feet,
Hmm.
then her mother's feet, like your mother-in-law, then your son's throat.
Hmm.
So I was trying to, I don't know your chart, but then those things I was trying कि उसके
You
third
don't
house में क्या
you don't
होगा.
need to see the chart. You don't need a chart for this. That's what I'm trying to tell you. There
Yes.
are two techniques which have come to my mind
Hmm.
where you don't need a chart. This is one technique. Second technique I'll share with you. I'll just brief you because maybe I'll forget about what I was going to say.
Hmm.
Is basically it is related to that Vastu direction chart which I told you that day.
Hmm.
So basically it is like saying in simple words, if you put a black color ka metal box in the north of your house, you have activated Saturn in your sixth house. Are you understanding? North is sixth house. If you remember that, I told you to see it this way. So north is the sixth house. Black metallic object is Shani.
Saturn.
So you have put Shani in the sixth house. Now you know all the Char Dham and all that to try to see Shani का उसमें क्या effect है. Is it उच्च का? नहीं, क्योंकि मीरा आती है उधर. नीच का नहीं, because Venus केतु आता है. पक्का घर नहीं, because राहु का है. स्वराशि सिक्स्थ हाउस मर्क्यूरी का है. बरोबर. Then you break the Shani into the two things. Shani, if you remember, Saturn, Ketu life is JV. It's a joint venture. Ketu is the big banner with the builder. Saturn is basically property. So property is developed nowadays as joint venture JV, and they put up a big banner that is Ketu. So Saturn Ketu life is JV, Jupiter plus Venus. अभी Venus इधर आ गया. Venus in sixth house is नीच ना. Venus and Ketu नीच हो गए उधर ना. Ketu like again niche. So Saturn will give niche like this thing. Slightly complicated, that's why I didn't want to get into just now, but whatever it is. But these are the two techniques where you don't need a chart, you don't need anything. If you understand the basic karak tattva of the planets and the houses, you are done. You don't need to see that fellow's chart also. So if let us say somebody comes to you and says that he has met with an accident. Accident is eighth house. Eighth house is your south wall. बरोबर. एक्सीडेंट का कारक तत्व हो सकता है राहु. Okay, so you can ask him, in your south wall have you put any Rahu related items? Are there some coconuts over there? Are there some metallic wind chimes over there? Is there some dua over there? Have you put some sort of a thing over there? Because then you draw the parallel over there. You understand? It's actually a very complex thing which has suddenly become very simple. So that is one way you don't need a chart. And just now what I told you, you don't need a chart, because if you have done something, you have activated that house. If you have activated that house, it has got repercussions on the other 11 houses. So in short, I'll just say one or two sentences, then you all talk. What I want you to do is same thing what I told you about a direction chart. You keep documenting on a daily basis what is happening. Document this also. Again, I'm saying tomorrow, let's say you have a stomach upset, so your sixth house has got activated. So see the repercussions of that. Also, if you want to take one step ahead, I didn't want to share that, but let me share that also. Take the Karak Tattva of that planet also. Karak Tattva of stomach, Karak Tattva of this thing is what moon. For that you need a chart. So tomorrow moon किधर बैठे देखो and then see. But that will become little complex. अभी don't jump to that. Just take the house and see the repercussions. So अगर sixth house तुम्हारा activate हो गया, तो तुम्हारे sun का second house activate हो गया. खाने का related कुछ issue है क्या पूछो. या second house में anything face related or whatever वो है क्या पूछो. You know, maybe he's got a pimple on the face. Let us say, whatever. Your spouse का 12th house है. So 12th house is the house of some expense, some loss हो सकता है. It could have some connection with the hospital. He might have gone to visit somebody in a hospital, let us say. You understand? So you can draw a parallel to that, or your husband's, your 12th house is your husband's what house? वो देखो. Because your 12th house is your spouse's 6th house. So, so 6th house of illness, 12th house of hospital. Has somebody fallen ill and been taken to hospital? Like that, something like that. I don't want to make it too complex because you will lose the basic essence of the thing. Have you understood? Now you all talk. I'll summarize it at the end of it. Any questions you all want to ask or anything you have not understood? Or you want me to explain everything again? Ha, Rishikesh.
थोडा परत कन्फ्यूज झालाय द बेसिक अगेन की आता माझ्या याच्यामध्ये 6th हाऊस मध्ये आणि 12th मध्ये काहीच नाहीये मग
असं नाही.
ते थोडा कन्फ्यूज झालो. हा
It is basically, you don't see a chart at all. This is chartless prediction. This is basically chartless prediction, both the techniques what I told you. In this, you just see, you do some action through the day or something happens through the day. So when something happens to you or you do something, you activate one of the 12 houses. And that one house which you activate has repercussions on the other 11 houses. So 11 houses में क्या हो रहा है उसमें इसमें से देखो ना, तुमने अगर तुम्हारा चौथा घर एक्टिवेट किया, let's say you buy a car, so you have activated your 4th house. What repercussion does it have on your son? What repercussion does it have on your mother, on your father, on your mother-in-law, father-in-law, spouse, friends, siblings, younger siblings, older siblings? So वो one line पढ़ो. So that is what the exercise I want you to do from right now. Anything happens, something significant, जनरली वो हाउस पहले आइडेंटिफाई करो एंड वो हाउस के नीचे का जो ब्लू में मैंने लाइन दिया उसका सब सिग्निफिकेशन पे देखो एंड यू हैव टू गो लिटिल डीपर. जस्ट इन 10th हाउस, मेरे हस्बैंड का 10th हाउस एक्टिवेट हुआ. 10th हाउस में क्या हुआ? ये जो तो ऑफिस पे गया ही नहीं, कल तो क्या होएगा, 10th हाउस वुड बी नीज. So there are so many things that you will have to actually scratch your head and something will come up. Anyone else?
10th house would be my 4th.
Whose 10th house?
Spouse's 10th house.
Your 4th house is your spouse's 10th house. No? Because your 4th house is 1, 2, 3, 4. Spouse ka 10th house is 7, 8, 9, 10. So your 4th house, it is actually asa turn ho jata the. It's actually turn ho jata. Initially when I was doing this now, I first decided that I will make it across what 5 or 6, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 categories I have got over there. Like if you see the main big master chart which I have made, it is mother, self to salas, but mother, father, older sibling, younger sibling, spouse, kid, mother-in-law, father-in-law, maternal grandfather, maternal grandmother, paternal grandfather, paternal grandmother. All 12 I put over there. In that one line, I have just made it 5 or 6 because इतना deep जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But the thing is, when I started doing this, each one I was analyzing and making the next, then the next. Then very soon I realized, if I get one sequence properly of the first house, you just have to keep adding 1, 1, 1, 1 in the next thing, no? So it's just copy paste and change the digit to the next, copy paste and digit to the next. So like just now you said, your 4th house is your husband's 10th house. Your 5th house becomes your husband's 11th house. And 1% parts and 7% parts, your 6th house becomes his 12th house. Your 7th house becomes his 1st house. It is like that. So that came up because first I was doing donkey work, then I realized that it is so simple. So book करके डाल दिया. So actually, yeah, who's asking?
प्लीज ये रश्मि
हाँ.
ये रिपीट करना अभी जो बोला ना, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई मिस्ड एकदम स्टार्टिंग का क्लास एंड अभी जो आपने बोला ना दिस थिंग माय हस्बैंड्स लाइक स्पाउस का ये और आपका ये ऐसे हो जाता है, दैट द इजी वे.
नहीं easy नहीं उसमें कुछ. Basically, see what happens is like all these जो एकदम उसे champion astrologers रहते हैं, I think by them it has got set only कि your 4th house is your husband's 10th house or your mother's so and so house or whatever it is. अपने को तब तक नहीं मालूम. You have to see that line only. I don't want you to memorize it. I am also not memorizing. There are too many things I have to memorize. अभी ये और एक उसमें गुंत नहीं डालने का. So ये जो line है, if you keep it next to you, you know, and when you realize that one house has got activated, so you have to see that one line only, no. You know, like that day what I did on myself, कि 6th house get activated. तो मेरा H6 का blue line मैंने देखा. उसका फादर का ये, मदर का वो, सिबलिंग्स का ये, वाइफ का वो, किड का ये, टन 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 टन. Then you start scratching ahead with relation to that. So suppose let us say something happens tomorrow to you, you see your husband ka which house has got activated, and then see where. Achha, by the way, what I have understood is it doesn't have to happen immediately. Yeah? एकदम जाके मत बोलो ये तो हस्बैंड का 6th हाउस एक्टिवेट है, तेरा पेट बिगड़ गया. तो बोले नहीं नहीं बिगड़ गया. अरे बोलते नहीं तो क्या, मतलब ऐसा मत करो. इट माइट टेक सम टाइम फॉर हिज पेट टू बिगड़. सो गिव हिम टाइम. ओके, उसको घाई मत करो लोग. So like that, things will take some time. Like what I feel is the repercussions can take anything from 1 week to 1 month. So what I'm coming to is, once you understand कि एक बार घंटी बजी है तो उसका किधर किधर आवाज जाने वाला है, तो you can start anticipating. अच्छा ये हुआ तो in the next 1 month ये होने वाला है. Are you understanding the depth of this entire technique? It is very simple, but it is very powerful. Okay, and since there is no precedent for this, it is something which just came to my mind. So we have to experiment and get it. There are some things which suddenly pop up in my mind, and that's what I share with you all. And I expect you all to do some documentation on it, because it is not possible that everything will happen kar sakte. But if you can keep this chit with you, and you know sort of relate to that, then it will help to sort of formulate a technique, because there is nobody else that I share this technique with. I tell my wife and she very politely humors me and say yes, very good. she cannot.
So for example, असा है कि if my wife gets a leg pain, okay, so automatically my 12th house will be activated.
Yes.
सहा ना?
Which part of the leg? The ankle चा तिकडे झाला तर 12th house.
नाही काही example, I don't know. I'm just
So
saying.
your 12th house is activated.
So then what will happen?
But then read the 12th house. Your mother's 9th house has got activated. Your father's 4th house has got activated. Siblings are 2nd and 10th, younger, older.
नाही, so what are the repercussions? So 12th house activate झाला, so then what?
नाही, but तेच ना, म्हणजे your mother's 9th house has got activated. So whether your mother 9th house is house of religious travel, right? The 9th house is house of father. Whether your mother's father has got something. आता काय होणार I don't know, because each house has got 200-300 कारकतत्वस. So I can only say that your mother's 9th house has got activated. So some karaktatva of 9th house has got activated. So it could be her 9th part, म्हणजे her leg, बरोबर? Because it's a body part. So mother's 9th part has got activated. Maybe she will get pain in the leg, maybe leg pain हो सकते. Or 9th house म्हणजे her father. So something related to father. So event असू शकतो. Your third is the like short travels, overseas travel. Maybe your mother might go for some overseas travel, or maybe she may go to a religious place. So you know, 9th, like I said, body part, relation, and event. या तिन्हीपैकी काहीतरी एखादा होईल. It cannot सगळंच एकदम ढोल वाजत नाही. So this you need to sort of observe and document, and then a time will come when some event has happened. We will be able to anticipate कि अच्छा ये हुआ है तो ये हो सकता है. And then if you are really champions at that, and suppose let us say some event has happened and you see that somebody is going to fall ill, then you need to be careful. You know what illness also maybe if it sort of comes up, then we say बाबा तेरे को सर्दी होने वाला है तो ठंडा मिंडा ज़्यादा मत पियो, something like that. You know, I'm just giving you a simple example, but this can become more and more intense. If you can understand what I'm trying to say. If something serious is going to happen, then you can sort of curtail that thing. This is the main purpose of which from day one I've been saying that you learn to control your today. Don't bother about predicting the future. वो जो है वो होने का अपने हाथ में नहीं है, but जो अपने हाथ में उसको तो ये करो, rectify करो.
So Manish, this we can check from a month chart of Lal Kitab or day chart or anything like that.
No chart, my dear, no chart. Chart कुठे पाहिजे तुला?
मग ऍक्टिव्हेट झालं हे कसं कळेल?
अरे बाबा, तुझे 12 घराचे कारक तत्व आहेत. युअर 12 हाऊसेस आर गॉट सम कारक तत्व. Your entire life, whatever possible you can do, is there. बरोबर. So, like Sujata's husband had an extramarital affair. So, 5th house of Sujata got activated. बरोबर. So, मग त्याच्या रेपरकशन बघ. तुला तिची कुंडली कशाला बघायची? तो नवरा
So,
बिचारा.
माझा क्वेश्चन असा आहे, yesterday I had stomach upset.
So,
You're recording this, mister.
I know. मी घाबरत कोणाला. मी माझ्या बायकोला पण नाही घाबरत. Oh my God, it's got recorded.
So I had stomach upset.
Wonderful, congratulations. आम्ही काय करू?
You said that 6th house is activated, right?
So basically 6th house has got activated. माझंच ती लाईन झाली तुझी. म्हणजे your mother's 3rd house has got activated.
And my father's 12th.
Your father, नाही, your spouse's 12th. Your father's 10th house has got activated.
10th.
ते इमिडिएटली व्हायला पाहिजे असं नाहीये. लाईक आय सेड 1 week to a month मध्ये त्याचं रेपरकशन होऊ शकते. बट सी लाईक 3rd house, तर your mother's 3rd house has got activated. Her 3rd house is her siblings also, her younger sibling, your mama, maushi. So anything related to that. 3rd house is house of throat. Did she have some throat pain?
Other event happened today. Early morning is my father had a chakkar ali आणि ते पडले. So
10th house, no? So father's 10th house, something related to father happened. So चक्कर येणं म्हणजे
For father, we look after 9th house, no?
नाही, but
father's 10th house.
10th house got activated.
Father's 10th house has got activated. So father's 10th house.
Weakness and emaciated you have given once. Manish, once you have given 10th house weakness.
अच्छा, I've given, is it? Okay.
हाँ, एक बार बोला था.
Okay. So my
weakness से चक्कर आ सकता है ना?
Yeah. Father's 10th house is chakkar user. Plus, if you see from the Chardham point of view, 4th house, that equator is Saturn. Saturn is in a way acid. Then acidity is a problem by any chance?
त्यांना vertigoचा attack.
जसं पृथ्वीवर म्हटलं तर weakness मुळे पण होऊ शकतो. I don't know. Yeah, I am also still very raw in this, but so that has happened. Then,
Was he hurt? Was he at home?
हो, luckily नाही, hurt नाही झाले, पण खूप जास्त जोरात आला. We couldn't get up असं.
काय मी बसले नुसते का?
खाली जमिनीवरती ते पडले आणि मग ते त्यांना जमिनीवरनं उठता नाही आलं. So he slept on the floor only. Luckily लागलं नाही त्यांना.
So basically तसं. So then you have to see everything. The spouse at 12th, तर नवऱ्याचं 12th house काय ऍक्टिव्हेशन झालं का बघ, पायाचं काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का, की सम एक्सपेन्स आहे की वॉट एव्हर. बट लाईक आय सेड, यू हॅव टू सी दिस अक्रॉस 1 week to a month. एकदम घंटी वाजली की इधर साटकन इकडे बल्ब लागला असं नाही होत. It might take some time. Sometimes it is very instant. Like what I told you, my 6th house got activated, and my wife's leg pain started then only. But she told me after 7 days. So I asked her, did it start over there? So that was like a switch. Patkan तेव्हा सुरू झालं. But it need not happen at the same time. It may take some time. So
But what was Trupti's, म्हणजे हे बाबांचं झालं तू म्हणालीस ना Trupti. So which of your house got
stomach
activated?
upset ना? Stomach upset झालं. 6th
Oh, okay.
बरं Trupti, मला एक सांग, where is your moon in your chart? I got your chart. It's a moon today.
कुठला चार्ट? राशी चार्ट.
Trupti's moon is in the 3rd house. बरोबर? Okay, असं पण बघता येतं. How I'm drawing a parallel, just see. Like I said, the house gets activated. Okay, हे माझा पण इकडे.
सगळे इव्हेंट लागोपाठ झाले. अथर्व इज क्वारंटाईन. माय फादर गॉट दिस थिंग. I got a stomach upset. So everything is something is activated.
एक घेऊया आता. See, basically कसं, one step ahead, which actually I didn't want to share because it will get complicated, but that house gets activated. That house Rashi Lord gets activated. and the Karak Tattva of the planet gets activated. Now, I don't
Karak
want to get
Tattva
into
of the-
this, now you all will say, "Arey, वापस राशि पे गए," but this is a different technique, so you will use it. So basically, if you see your chart, Trupti, in your sixth house, your sun is there. Sun means your father. In your sixth house, the 10th Rashi is there.
Yeah.
10th Rashi, 10th house, if you relate to, you've got your father's 10th house. Sun 10, sun ka 10th house, father ka 10th house. Your moon is seated in your third house. Third house ka Rashi Lord is who? Mercury.
Mercury.
Mercury is related to intellect, brain, something in the brain. So if you know, I'm trying to join the dots. सिक्स्थ हाऊस तुझा ऍक्टिव्हेट झालं. सिक्स्थ हाऊस मध्ये बसलेला प्लॅनेट ऍक्टिव्हेट झाला म्हणजे सन गॉट ऍक्टिव्हेटेड. सिक्स्थ हाऊस राशी लॉर्ड गॉट ऍक्टिव्हेटेड, दॅट इज सॅटर्न. Saturn is seated. Saturn is seated in your ninth house. 1 minute, nobody talk now. Yours, it's all coming. Sixth house got activated. You activated your sixth house. Sixth house got activated. Sixth house, the planet got activated. Sixth house planet is what? Sun. Sun is what? Your father. Sixth house, your Rashi in your this thing is 10. 10 is what? Saturn. Saturn in your chart is seated in your ninth house. That is your father's house.
Right.
Okay. Then sixth house, your stomach upset झालं. Stomachचा कारक तत्व is moon. Your moon is seated diametrically opposite to the ninth house in the third house. So 3-9 का दृष्टि भी उधर पकड़ सकते हैं.
Right.
Third house moon is seated in the seventh Rashi. Seventh Rashi relates to
Mercury.
Mercury. नहीं, seventh house relates to Venus.
Okay. Yes, sorry.
त्याचा काही संबंध नाही. Third house, third Rashi जर पकडली तर Mercury येतं. Third house, Mercury is related to brain, intellect, brain. So father, brain, 10th house and 6th house again. Your father is seated in the 6th house. So some illness, something like that. I don't know whether I'm right, but this is what is coming to my head and I'm sharing it with you. So you understand, it's very complex. So unless we do it on a regular basis, it is not going to come pat. And like what I'm saying is, maybe a time will come when we'll be able to predict and take precautionary measures. But today, we at least know the cause of it. You can't say cause, but let us say what triggered it off. So तुझं जर बघितलं तर ते मदरचं थर्ड, एनिथिंग रिलेटेड टू मदर्स थर्ड हाऊस काय झालेलं आहे? हॅज शी ट्रॅव्हल्ड एनीवेअर और एनी एफर्ट और काहीतरी एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ फटीग असं झालेलं आहे का त्यांना? काय
Any sort of
फटीग थकवा
या सगळ्यामुळे थकवा आला असेल तुला.
मे बी. ओके. मग तुझे मावशी किंवा मामा आहे का? छोटे मावशी छोटे मामा, त्यांचं काय प्रॉब्लेम? एनीथिंग लाईक दॅट?
I'm not aware.
ओके. सो देन दॅट इज फादर्स 10th हाऊस झालं. सिबलिंग्स, तुला भावंड आहे? नाही. स्पाउसचं 12th हाऊस. सो जस्ट सी वेदर एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू स्पाउस 12th हाऊस. किडचं सेकंड हाऊस. सो सेकंड हाऊस यू कॅन से थ्रोट. तर त्याचं थ्रोटचं रिलेटेड काय इश्यू आहे का?
त्याला ते कोविडचं हे झालं.
So the throat will be there. So घसाचं काहीतरी ठवकावण्याचं असेल or whatever like that. Mother-in-law's a 9th house. 9th house mother-in-law can be mother-in-law's father if he is still around.
No, he's not there.
9th house is a house of religious traveler, anything related to religion. 9th house is house of Jupiter. Jupiter हवा काय, breathing related anything.
Issues for whom?
Your mother-in-law. Breathing related काय असं जाणवलंय?
Not yet.
Okay. So that is your mother-in-law. Father-in-law, it's 6th house. The 6th house of father-in-law could be, maybe he also had a stomach upset or he could have some illness or something like that. I don't know. I thought you'll have to document it. And
I
there's
know.
many options.
Got it.
Anyone else has anything to say?
So Manish, for fever, we will see which house?
Sixth.
Sixth house or sixth, no?
So 6th house, and you can see Rahu, Moon, and Mars.
Yes.
So in your chart, You can draw parallel sources. So आपका अगर चार्ट देखो तो आपका moon is in the 7th house,
Yes.
your Rahu is in the 11th house, your Mars is in the 3rd house, and
Third house.
first house. So mainly for fever, you can see Sun and Mars. You don't need to see Rahu and Moon that way. But
Okay.
so your basically 6th houses got activated. Your sun,
Yes.
your so 6th house activated. Your Sun has got activated in the 1st house, and your Mars has got activated in the 3rd house.
Yes.
6th house बोलो.
मनीष, तू 6th हाऊस मध्ये मर्क्युरी म्हणालास की सॅटर्न म्हणालास मगाशी बोलताना?
6th house मध्ये मर्क्युरी उच्च आहे ना, मीरा.
हो, आय थॉट यू सेड सॅटर्न म्हणून मी विचारते.
No.
नाही ना.
This one, Rashmi said, I was telling Rashmi that suppose, let us say you keep a big black metallic object in the north of your house, then you have activated Shani in your 6th house. So whether Shani in the 6th house is good or bad, first you have to see. Shani in the 6th house, if you remember that Ulta Saat ka akada, Shani is bad in the thing, it is giving bad result. And even if you want to take it one step further, Shani ka agar Masnui Grah nikalo, Shani is Ketu like and Rahu like, if you remember. Ketu like I had said, Shani properties developed as JV, joint venture, and they put a big banner like Ketu. So JV, Jupiter, Venus. So Venus is the Neech ka hai na?
Yeah.
Ketu is also Neech ka. Venus and Neechu, Ketu Neech ka ho gaya na? So Saturn anyways will give a bad result in that. So if you activate, so what she's done is she would have activated her 6th house. Then yes, a line deco ding ding ding. So actually now good thing, something new has come. I have mixed both the techniques now. That Vastu related things also. And this blue line wala thing also. You understand? Now both of them have got merged now.
Okay.
Manish, I want to know, say for example, my father is not well, okay, but he was not well 2 days back. But tabhi nothing happened to me, like so that I can check my. So
Now your father is not well, your 10th house, your 9th house has got activated.
okay, so I'll see it that way now.
So your 9th house has got activated. Your mother's 6th house has got activated.
Okay.
Your father's 1st house has got activated. Your 1st house has got activated by what? His health, immunity, vitality. The 1st house has got affected. Over the dikh raha. 6th house of your mother has got activated. You see any 6th related, maybe stomach related issue ho sakta hai, या short term illness कुछ हो सकते हैं, या some whatever, वो सब उसमें देख सकते हैं. Okay.
And my 9th house मतलब क्या? Nothing.
Your father got ill, means your 9th house got activated.
Okay, so this way also we will see. Say, या तो something happened to me, so I'll see the chart, or somebody who's related to me, उनको कुछ हुआ है तो I'll say my which house got activated, right? Okay.
Actually speaking, you can see it from a different angle also. Like your father got ill, right? So your father is which house? Your 9th house.
10th house.
9th house.
9th house.
Father is 9th. 9th or 10th?
9th, yeah.
Now,
that triangle, yeah.
You can see it from a different angle. Your father fell ill. Meaning 9th house says 6th house. So basically it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your 2nd house has got activated also.
Yes.
That I am not so sure. Now that what you are saying, some new thing has come to my mind. If your father has fallen ill, so your father is 9 says 6. Just now you look exactly like your son, by the way. I don't know. Your chehra in your video just now is looking exactly like your son. And now you're back to the corridor. Okay. Okay, MM, इधर ध्यान दो. अभी ये है ना, your father is the 9th house. रश्मि सुनाई दे रहा है ना?
Yes, yes.
So father falling ill is 9 says 6, meaning your 2nd. So your 2nd house has got activated. So if your 2nd house has got activated, your mother's 11th house has got activated. So 11th house, house of gains, house of friends, shin, legs, let us say, because वो शनि का ही घर आ गया उधर. So anything related to her leg, anything related to her friend,
So
anything.
it might be a positive as well. Na? Why should we think
Yes.
only negative,
No,
right?
no, that's what gains mein bola na. See, there are three things, my dear. Body part, relations, and event. So body part का कुछ पॉजिटिव इवेंट तो नहीं हो सकता है. Suddenly my biceps grew ऐसा नहीं होएगा. बरोबर. But bad हो सकता है. But relation का अच्छा हो सकता है.
Yeah.
Maybe your mother suddenly got some gain from somebody.
Yes.
पैसा आया, whatever. You have to draw that.
Yes.
So this is a good thing which you said, because we are talking about ourselves only. This thing. But if my father is unwell, then my father's sixth house has to be taken into consideration. तो वो दोनों देखो ना, whether ninth house से repercussion बराबर आ रहा है या second house से. Are you understanding what I'm saying? This is very important. It's an important point which he brought up. कि my father has fallen ill. So which house has got activated? Is it my ninth house or is it my second house? I am also confused. No, I am confused. I am not giving any answer. So basically, in such a situation, just check two blue lines. Now, second ka blue line dekho, ninth ka blue line dekho, and then you tell me later on what happens.
Okay.
What else?
But this
We
is
cannot
getting
give them-
interesting.
एक मिनट, हाँ Trupti करें.
So we cannot give them any dot therapy or this thing from our chart.
We can. That is the next step.
From our chart?
No, not from our chart.
We cannot give from our chart, right?
See, then just now we are doing chartless discussion.
Okay.
So basically, if I don't know, it's a little complicated. The second house has got activated. Okay.
For
Yes.
some reason. Okay.
Second house is what? Northwest.
Hmm.
Okay. So her father got, let us say, fever. बरोबर? Fever, ताप आला. So second house, just ask them to find out whether in the second house any karakatva of fever, that is sun or Mars, which is something like orange or red or brass, का item उधर है क्या?
That Rashmi will have to ask, right?
हाँ, मुझे I'm just giving an
Okay.
example. I don't know. I'm
She's
still
not there, I think.
No, she's there with your son called.
नहीं, I'm here only. My network is very bad. तो और वीडियो ऑन रखने से टर्न हाँ.
Trupti, your question is valid. We need to experiment on that also. कि remedy कैसे करते हैं? Because let's say somebody's father has got fever. So ninth house or sixth house मुझे तुम्हारे इसमें second house दिखा रहा है. So something I don't know now whether this person, the native, has to check whether northwest में उसका. I think native के घर में आएगा. What are your thoughts on it?
नेटिव के घर में ही आना चाहिए ना.
If my father has got ill, my second house has got activated. My second house has got activated. That's why my father fell ill. उल्टा देखो ना. Okay, I've got an answer. Basically, कैसे? What did I tell you? That if you activate your house voluntarily or involuntarily, the other 11 houses have got a repercussion. So if I say my father fell ill, so 10 says 6th, म्हणजे my second house has got activated. One way of looking at it. Other way of looking at it is in my second house मैंने जाके कुछ मंगल का सामान रख दिया उधर या सूर्य का सामान रख दिया. It has repercussions on my father's health. So then I need to check whether in my northwest of my house have I kept some sun or Mars related item or even Rahu for that matter and move it from there. Is it getting too complex?
No.
I think it's getting complex. But
So it's making sense. It's making sense because basically, if
look at it
a particular, yeah.
Asabha kya asabha? You have activated something and something has happened. Okay. Let me put it in an easy way. You have done an action and it has given a reaction. Okay. Now, what is the most obvious thing over here? The reaction. The father falling ill. You don't know what you have done ना. दिवसामध्ये आपण 10 गोष्टी इकडे तिकडे हलवत असतो. You don't know what you have done. But a reaction is there. So reaction मिला तो उल्टा जाके देखो action क्या किया.
Okay.
Just शांतपणे लक्षात घ्या and you will understand. A person's father has got fever. So that person's second house has got activated. फादर फॉलिंग इन सेकंड हाऊस ना ऍक्टिव्हेट झालं, सेकंड हाऊस ऍक्टिव्हेट झालं आणि फादर इन झालं ना. इट्स अ
You're seeing the
इट्स अ डबल ढोलकी sort of.
yeah.
So what have you done to your second house? How have you activated your second house? Your father fell in. So in your second house, which is the northwest of your house, have you done something? Or have you activated the second house in some other way? Have you done something to your piggy bank? Have you done something to your food, some food related problems? Second house of family. Is there some issue in the family? कळतंय का? सेकंड हाऊस ऍक्टिव्हेट झालाय त्यामुळे वडिलांचा सिक्स्थ हाऊस ऍक्टिव्हेट झालेला आहे. सो फादर फेल इन. रश्मी समझ में आ रहा है तुमको?
Yes, I'm getting. See, my only concern is
that was a very important point which you and Trupti got up. So I'm happy.
कि victim को देखना कि मतलब victim, I say victim is, say for example my father, तो उनका देखना कि मेरा देखना.
Sorry, वो फुसफुसा मेरा distraction. क्या? Tell me again.
See, I'm asking कि इसमें victim I say जो बीमार पड़ा, okay? तो विक्टिम का हाउस में रेमेडी देना कि अपने हाउस में रेमेडी देना कि अपने हाउस में देखना कि उसके कि दोनों में.
No, that's what I explained. There are 2 points you have to understand. One, there is no kundali here. You are doing kundali less predictions and remedy. Are you understanding where we are getting to? Yes. You don't need a kundali. Like, for example, मेरा हमेशा देखते रहते हैं. They say that if somebody has got if white ऐसे दिख रहा है, without pulling it down, if the white of the eye is seen more. See, अभी मैं आँख ऊपर कर रहा हूँ. When I look straight, I don't think मेरा white दिखता है. I don't know. Can you see? ऐसा दिखता है क्या? नहीं. So अगर ये है ना, तो that then they say that it is a मंगल बद का sign. ये उसका मंगल बद है. उसका जो चोटी रहता है ना, उधर चोटी के उधर अगर बॉल्ड होने लगा ना, तो उसका जुपिटर डैमेज हो रहा है. So like that, there are some symptomatic things which I'm collecting.
So what is the remedy for that then?
Remedy is not the thing. See, what happens is when you see somebody, I feel we have to reach a point where that fellow doesn't have to open his mouth only looking at the symptomatic things, the way his body language is there, everything. You should be able to say, is that the problem with you? Remedy, like I said, I'm not getting into remedy right now because I'm zero at remedy at the moment. मैं पोटली के रेमेडी से कर रहा हूँ, which is effective. Sometimes it is effective, sometimes it is not. But chalo, at least we are doing an effort. But Rashmi, coming back to your point, this is a total chartless analysis and remedy. So your question whether his chart, my chart, which this thing, nothing. You see symptomatic. Just take 2 charts, the Vastu direction ka charts which I gave you, and this blue line wala chart, and mix them both together, and you will get the answer. So you have done something in your
which chart you said? Sorry, Manish.
The Vastu direction chart which I gave. So that chart and the blue line wala chart, this 54,000 wala thing. ये दोनों mix करो, and then you see some houses got activated, some repercussion got. Other thing is that blue line का सब होना है ऐसा नहीं है. वो 6 items या 12 items में से कुछ एक ना दो होगा. Rashmi, what were you asking?
Okay, my point is coming back to the same जो मुझे ये हो रहा है. तो मैंने बोला कि ये हाउस एक्टिवेट हो गया तो रेमेडी इज ये चीज यहाँ से मूव करना है. तो मैं मेरे घर में मूव करूंगी कि विक्टिम के घर में मूव करूंगी?
Your second house has got activated. You have done something in your house. Victim का भी लेना देना ही नहीं. It's a total different concept.
So मेरी मम्मी को पैर में लगा तो I will see my
your mummy is your 4th house. मम्मी को चोट आया है 8th house. So मम्मी का 4 से 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So your 11th house has got activated. Now if you see your 11th house, your mother का 8 है. See H11 का line. H11 का line first is mother, I always put. So mother का 8. So your mother had a chot on the leg or anywhere. Accident is a ठेस लगा. Your 11th house has got activated.
ये कैसे कैलकुलेट किया 8 से 11?
अरे your mother is 4.
Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, got it. Got it.
नहीं, 8, 9, 10, 11 नहीं, my dear. Your mother is 4th. Your accident house is 8. So your mother's accident house is 4th, say 8. So 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it becomes your 11th house.
नो नहीं, वापस नहीं समझा मुझे ये.
One. Okay. This is you. This is your mother. This is your house of accident. So your 4th house is your mother. Your 8th house is your accident. Barabar? Now, your mother ka accident house is which one? From this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is your 11th house. So your 11th house is your mother's accident house, which I have made it totally spoon feeding you all by putting the blue line there. Spoon feeding it is donkey work. I don't want you all to do donkey work. That is all. So if you understand how to read the blue line, that entire scenario is open to you. You have to buy hard the north, south, east, west table, and you have to have this paper in front of you. Don't break your head calculating all that, because you will waste your energy in calculating and the analysis खड्डे में जाएगा इससे.
Manish, right now you are saying की राशी किंवा चार्ट बघायचा नाही, but as I recollect yesterday morning as we discussed, आपण डे चार्ट चेक केला होता आणि डे चार्ट वरनं तू सांगितलंस की माय सेकंड हाऊस देर इज मार्स अँड दॅट इज हिटिंग मून, आणि देन यू सेड की नॉर्थ वेस्ट मध्ये तू चेक कर. सो आत्ता पण तू तेच बोललास की सेकंड हाऊस नॉर्थ वेस्ट मध्ये it comes your 6th house, father's 6th house comes to second house of yours, and it's all relating. म्हणजे मला असं वाटतं तुझं लाल किताब आणि हे शेवटी येऊन एकत्र कुठे ना कुठे तरी इथे मर्ज होत आहे.
So like that's what I was telling Preetiben some time ago also, that I am myself in a total state of confusion, but for some reason I have got immense confidence inside that this is going to reach some proper point. We are just in a process. So as of now I am also in a state of confusion, but I am just walking along. कधी ना कधी तरी ते
merge होईल, because that was the same thing which we discussed yesterday.
You know, this technique which suddenly sprouted up came out of nothing. Preetiben, you saying something?
Yes, I was agreeing with what you said.
Yeah. Because kaise hai na, see, let me put it this way, which actually I was talking to Preetiben some half an hour back only. Whichever astrological stream you say, uska end result is the same. No?
Yeah.
Okay. It is how we interpreted the mistake हो क्या ऐसा हो सकता है, यानी KP का इधर गया और LK का इधर गया. But if you do it properly, it will all come to the same point. Aim is the same.
Basically, we have to reach church gate. So whether we drive down or we take a bus or we take a...
Whichever route you take it. Now the second thing is, Portly has proved to be a successful thing, the dot thing. Okay, across so many cases. So उसमें confidence आ गया. LK का having what do you say? What is the right word? Having any doubt about it is out of question, because it is like a granth by itself. So we are nobody to sort of challenge it. So we are blindly saying that what Lal Kitab is saying is correct. Mostly we have only made it up and all that, but it is giving good results. So that is also correct. So if both are correct and we know how to merge them together, we will reach the end goal same. But what he is saying is that only. Now this new thing has come up, chartless thing.
Yeah.
So chartless करने के लिए you just need a blue line का paper with you. बाकी the north south is in your head hopefully. I don't know what it is going to come out as. I also don't know. Preetiben will only be able to tell, but I am just walking along. जो होएगा हम देखेंगे. Any other question on this?
I want to ask you one thing, that this is the question that I had asked you when we were learning Portly initially. That assuming if my third house has Mercury, okay, so maybe in the day Kundali, if I have Mercury in the same place where it was when I was born, so will it give some positive results or?
No, positive नहीं. It will give a result. Positive and negative will depend. Mercury in the third house is not good. So maybe it might not be. I don't know, because kaisa hai, it is basically said that every planet is good and every planet is bad, because where it is seated, with whom it is seated, in which house it is seated, and with whom it is getting aspect from or giving aspect to. So these 4 or 5 things put together, you can say good or bad. But if that same planet comes in the same house, so it will surely give some result. That is for sure. But anything else? काय झालं ऐकू येत नाही?
हा
येते
आता आलं.
So again coming back to हे बघा champion. खूप वेळ
ओ
खूप वेळ
चेरी
बाबा भेटला नाही. तिथे तुला सगळं बोलत आहे. खूप वेळ बाबा भेटला नाही.
हाय चेरी
चमचा आहेत म्हणजे. झोपला होता आता उठून आला तरी. आता इथे झोपला होता मला बसायला खुर्चीत पण असं सगळं यायला लागलं.
क्यूट फेलो ना
हात खेचतोय मायाशी खेळ म्हणून.
श्रुति पिक्चर में ही उसमें ही डर गई देखकर.
मेरे मुंह पे दिखता ना फट से.
See, I am also scared, but because of my son now, at least I cannot afford to show it on my face
What?
because he find it very insulting. How can you give a look to that? उसको कितना बुरा लगेगा. ऐसे मतलब पूरी दुनिया के बुरा लगने का उसको कितना बुरा लगेगा आप उसको ऐसे देखोगे तो. So I just keep blank. कि okay, no reach.
look at him he's trying to pull him see
अभी उससे और एक टेक्निक मेरे को दिमाग में आ रहा है just now from what Rashmi said कि each item which you are in contact with has got a karak tattva. Like for example, servants or your subordinates are Shani. This yoker is Ketu. Birds are Mercury. Okay, so many things. So just observe on a daily basis. Ki, let us say you shout at your servant, maybe you are hitting your Shani. So in your chart where Shani is there, it might give a bad result in that house. Just check it. This is just some thought which came to my mind. Because whenever you remedy is what? That you are pacifying that planet. अगर किसका शनि खराब है, so then if you feed crows, crow is the वाहन of Shani. They say that Shani कौवे पे बैठ के आता है ऐसे बोलते. I don't know. And also Shani is also the karak of death, so maybe that is what kauva is. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know that. But the thing is, Shani is your subordinate. Shani is the kavla. So let us say जे गोळी मारतात छऱ्याच्या बंदूकनी, that air gun, they kill birds. If they kill birds, they are killing their Mercury. If they kill a crow, they are hurting their Shani. If they hit a dog or if they do something bad to a dog, they are damaging their Ketu. Their Ketu is their sun. Some repercussion will come on their sun.
But Manish, this theory, what about the butchers and all? They are doing constantly something or the other.
Butchers.
And what about butchers? And what about those who eat non-veg and all? They are constantly doing something wrong.
So no, 1 minute. Let's not get into that controversy. But the thing is, basically, non-veg in the Vedas or whatever it is, it has been banned. And especially, I don't want to get into that discussion now. But basically, there are certain houses of Jupiter, like Jupiter. If I'm not mistaken, in the 11th house, 12th house. I don't know where I've written somewhere. You are not supposed to.
You had mentioned 11 house. You had mentioned.
You're not supposed to eat alcohol, take alcohol and eat non-veg. ऐसे. So it अलग-अलग इसका है. Let's not get into that discussion. But the thing is, first what did you say? बच्चा कुछ करता है you said? I didn't understand.
Butcher. She said butcher.
Butcher, हाँ.
Yes.
Butcher is Mars. Butcher is represented by Mars. Mangal. मारता है. See, other thing is कैसे ना? Like what is said is, तुम जिधर that environment in which you are born in, you are supposed to do that karya for whatever reason. I don't know uske beyond. But if he's born in a butcher's family, he has come to do some karya. He has got some debt which he has to clear, or some debt which he has to build up. Maybe him killing the animal, it has got some connection with his past life and that animal. I don't know. I don't know that, and I don't get into that part of it. But see, in society, सब लोग ही रहे. जो लोग गटर में उतर के कीचड़ में जाके सब साफ करते हैं, उनकी क्या पॉलिटिक्स? So there may be some past life this thing where he you know उसने सभी जगह गंदगी फैलाई होगी, अभी उसको ऐसे इतने नीचे जाके, मेरा एक concept which I had since many years is, which now it is actually making sense in astrology. When let us talk of dogs. There are dogs who are in houses well looked after, एकदम बैठने को गद्दी विद्दी, पानी का 2 बॉटल, ये वो सब नौटंकी, हाँ? And there are some dogs on the road जिसको लूट लगा है, you know, हाथ पैर टूटा हुआ है, ऐसा ऐसा all that thing. Why? There are people who are staying in nice houses, everything like that, and then there are some people on the road who are totally damaged beyond repair. Why? So we are saying past life, ये वो something like that, but it is basically that that person has come here
To clear the karma.
the karma to finish off his debt. So
I also agree. I have the same thought. And
I read a book also. I also heard this Conan Doleris करके एक lady है, Dolores Conan. She looks very much like Queen Elizabeth. She's a British lady. I think she's an American lady. Sorry. So she's a past life regressionist. So she has done a lot of research on that since last 50, 60 years. And she has told what happens. She has written life after death. So she has given the cycle after a person dies, what is the process? So उसमें वो आया कि that time you have come to this earth to finish on your own. So basically what she has said in that thing is, you know, अपन नसीब को ये बोलते हैं कि साला नसीब खराब है, ये वो. You have come here on your own will with your own decision. So that butcher who has come here has come with a decision because he has to finish off some karmic debt. So वो सब छोड़ दो उसको. Let's not get into that thing. अपना जो है अपने लिमिट में अपन काम.
एक चीज पूछना है कि कोई कोई लोग होते हैं जो बहुत कर्जा लेते हैं, लोन रहता है उनके ऊपर बहुत, तो वो कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा?
6th house activated. 6th house. 6th house of debt, disease, enemies.
6th house is debt.
So basically, that's a good question. So if somebody has taken a lot of debts, just check the blue line with relation to that person. Now you can, Shruti, you can do one thing. I'm not getting into details, but you'll understand what I'm talking about. If somebody has got that negative energy on that person, so that person's 6th house has got activated. That person's. So उसके हिसाब से उसके mother father का क्या हो रहा है? Just see the 8th house का repercussion on that, no? पहले तो मैं क्या म्हणतो है? That you told me about a case where that young girl had got some. You felt that it is a negative energy impact on that girl, your friend's daughter. So just check that girl's 8th house has got activated. Forget your friend or anything. Let's talk about that girl. Her 8th house has got activated because of that occult thing. So 8th house का H8 का blue line देखो ना, उसके father, mother, dun का क्या हुआ, and if you know something at least, then just see whether you are drawing a parallel.
Manish, and if somebody is giving and not getting it back, loaning it.
That is house of loss, no? 12th
So
house.
that will be?
That is loss, 12th house.
12th house, okay.
Loss, no? पैसे दिले and परिणाम नहीं आले मुझे loss. 12th house. Expense. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is, which I told you long back when I explained that Potlika thing, you know, that entire workshop which we had long back, maybe 6, 7, 8 months back. Every damn action that you do or you can imagine is there in the 12 houses. Now it is the trick is understanding whether you know which house to catch and which planet to catch. That is the basic thing.
That
which
is
I
a
told
big,
you long back.
yeah.
Karak Tattva you have to know. That's why this paper which I have given you, I hope you have taken a print. This
Yeah.
So what I want to tell you is that I should have kept little more gap, but only है कि जैसे नया कुछ आता है ना, mostly I don't think you'll be able to jump beyond this because the amount of input that I put in, you might not. But if you come across something, you write to it. You know, like for example, there is one thing which comes like Doberman, Sheput Kapleli.
Oh.
So Sheput is Mercury. If you see Mercury, you will see tail over there. tail. In Mercury, if you see, na, I have highlighted tail. And Ketu is cut. Ketu is
Okay.
dog. So dog with a cut tail is Ketu and Mercury ka mix.
Oh,
Okay.
oh my God.
Nitiben,
You're not just.
Nitiben, you want to say something?
No, I wanted to ask you, charity के लिए कौन सा है house?
Charity,
Fourth.
I think, will be in a religious sort of a this thing. So I think it will be ninth house, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Charity.
Or 11th.
11th house of gain. It is charity is a in a way religious activity. So, plus Jupiter का घर है उधर. That
4th.
fourth, fourth is house of home atmosphere luxuries. उसमें charity किधर आ गई?
So
Yeah.
ninth house, no? Charity is ninth house, no?
Ninth
Yeah,
house,
for
yeah.
two reasons I feel ninth house. One is because it is related to religion, it is related to Bhagya also, and second thing is because it is the house of Jupiter. If you remember, Moon, Saturn, Jupiter. So Jupiter is the wise old man. It's a guru.
Hmm.
So you said religious, and what was the other reason you gave?
Jupiter, house of Jupiter. No? Jupiter का पक्का करण राशि है ना, equator right side, sun, moon, Saturn, Jupiter.
Okay.
So if you are doing charity, it cannot be considered in the 12th house because 12th house is the house of loss. It is the house of expense. When you do charity, you are not
But
looking
it's
at
also house of moksha, you said, no?
that is 12th house.
Yeah, 12.
But I don't think you can consider charity in the 12th house because moksha is something else. Moksha is you have achieved it. Charity is you are doing a karya. So
Okay.
it will most probably be in the
Religious here.
because Jupiter is also there.
Hmm.
And ninth house is a house of religious this thing also. In a way, it is a religion. No? Giving it without any definition to it, it is a religion.
Right.
Because I think my friend sees that there are compulsive person doing charity, like compulsively, कैसा किसको एक OCD जैसा होता है ना, it I'm always constantly thinking मैं किधर क्या खर्चा करूं, means not खर्चा but to give.
Yeah.
I was just thinking that.
That is this thing. In fact, वो Jupiter का I'll have to check my notes. Jupiter का एक कोई तो भी house है where those people are always wanting to give something. I'll have to check my notes or I've shared the notes with you all. If you all see somewhere, you'll see. I think one of the houses, I think it is ninth house only. If Jupiter is in the ninth house or Jupiter is in one of the houses, they want to donate. Because I remember in that lecture, one of the ladies said, "Yeah, now I realize why I always keep telling my brother, दान करो, दान करो, दान करो." मेरा maybe मेरे को, but I don't remember which house. I'll have to check those notes.
Okay. Thanks.
And which is the
Now,
blue line you said? Blue line, quickly check. I didn't quite catch that.
I gave you this PDF, na?
Yeah.
The खालची line is the blue line. आता माझे
Right.
black and white print out है. So when I say blue line, I mean that line.
Oh.
प्रीति बेन, मेरे को एक अभी ध्यान में आया. You know, one case we were discussing about that boy who was and that actress and all. You know, if you remember what I'm talking about. So basically, he has activated his fifth house of love affair and all that. So वो हिसाब से उसका क्या repercussion होता है on the mother, father and all we need to see because mother का second house activate हो गया, father का ninth house activate हो गया. So वो देखना पड़ेगा. We can check from that. Any other thing you want to ask or discuss or anything? So I'll just summarize everything so it remains fresh that way. Okay, first of all, we have to learn to look at it from two charts, let us say. One is the Vastu directions, which I told you yesterday. Second one is the this concept of activation. Just 1 minute. Huh? दिसतं तुला? हे आलं.
Oh,
Hi.
hi. Hi. How
Hello.
are you?
Hi.
Manisha, Sujata was saying that when you smile, because you don't smile much, असं कर आवाज येऊ शकतो.
काही आज आज माझ्यावर पडली आहे वीज, कळलं ना?
आणि हा तुझ्या नवऱ्याला सांगू का?
रेकॉर्ड होतंय तो सांग.
बकरी आहेस तुझ्या.
काय तृप्ती काय म्हणाल?
तू बकरी आहेस.
हो हो टोटली
बकरी ईद आहे आज, बकरी.
एकदम. And a nice fat one.
You said something?
No. Nothing.
Okay. So anyway, so
Preeti ji, just see what is this boy doing?
boy,
You're enjoying,
So
no?
you, Sujata, which house you should see now that you are becoming Bakari? Which house? Yours or Manish ka? Just see. Here the question
म्हणाला
starts.
त्याचे सगळे हाऊसेस ऍक्टिव्हेटेड आहेत.
त्याचे
Yes,
कायम
मनीष
सगळे
का
असतात.
देखना है, मनीष का वो
मैंने
कौन
तो
सा
पहले
house
ही
है?
बोला था मेरे 12 के 12 हाउस एक्टिवेटेड है, मेरा तो 13वां भी हाउस है.
उसने पहले ही बोला आज ज्वाइन करते
त्या
वक्त
दिवशी
So anyway, so in a nutshell, basically, two things we have to look into. One is basically the Vastu directions we need to see, and second is this activation. Let's call it activation process, whatever. So which house you have activated? So they actually go hand in glove if you see which house you have activated, and because of some Vastu related things have you activated it, or is it some event like suppose stomach upset, that is one event which you have experienced. Second thing is you have done some Vastu related issue that has happened. And third thing is this activation. कि मुझे ये हुआ है तो कैसे? So I don't know. You need to see from these 2-3 angles. And if you now that it is fresh, even if you think over it for some time, just मैं every day I actually observe कि मैंने अभी ये इधर रखा है. तो मैंने forget the chart. Okay, there is no chart at all. It's a chartless prediction. And then we are going to come to the chartless analysis at some point of time. कि I have done this. What is the repercussion? Or the other thing, the fourth thing which I told you is, let us say I shouted at my servant. So I have damaged my Shani. So how does it happen? Okay. At the same time, let us say I fed a crow. So I have pacified my Shani, let us say. So how does it help? Help means what are the reactions? Let's not look at help or anything. Or somebody has thrown a stone at a dog. He has damaged his kid. Somebody has gone and offered his food to a dog. He has shown his gratitude towards kid. So once you see this, then your thought process only changes. Rashmi, what you are saying about, whatever, anything. Like I have been a short-tempered person all my life. I just need a instigation to shout at somebody. But now I realize that if, like for example, my servant, the lady who comes in the morning, she's the epitome of height of Mati Mandal. Poor thing. She's really genuinely branded dumb. But I have to accept it that she's the high quality branding level of dumbness. So I have to accept. But मैंने तो डोक्यातच येत नाही. When I tell her ह्या माझ्या काउंटरच्या ह्या लाईनीच्या पुढे हात नाही लावायचा, तिकडे काय पाहिजे जीव दे, तर इथेच येऊन धडपड करणार नाही. एंटायर टेबल इज कुठे गेलं काय एव्हरीथिंग समोर चॉकलेटचा डब्बा आणि माझं रायटिंग पेन्सिल तिकडे अरे कसं. So when I shout at her, I feel damaging the second.
Okay, Manish, I'll ask a question now. Now, say for example, now Abhi kaisa hai, my father is not well. Okay, so can I do something here in my Vastu to help him repair?
Basically, first of all, see whether in your second house have you put some item which is hitting him. So whatever is, suppose he has got fever. So see
No,
whether
he has got breath related issues. So that is Jupiter and Rahu. Okay. So
Jupiter
if I
Rahu.
see if I
And
see
Mercury.
Masnui of Jupiter and Rahu, it's Mercury.
That's what I said. Third one is Mercury. I just told you Mercury. When you say Jupiter, Rahu, my third one I said was Mercury. Because Mercury
That
is
is
also lungs. Mercury is also lungs.
yes.
Basically, just see in that place. So basically, Jupiter, Rahu, and Mercury. So in the second house, Jupiter is okay. If you see good bad time, Rahu is bad. Second house, Rahu is bad.
And Mercury is good.
Good नहीं, not bad बोलो, good नहीं बोलो.
Okay, not bad.
Not bad. Okay. So basically, out of the three, which is the thing to Rahu? Now Rahu, just look at it from a different angle is coming to mind. Rahu hitting your father is Rahu hitting Jupiter. But he has breath related problems, right? If I remember correct. Breathing. Jupiter is father, Jupiter is Hawa. राहु इज धुआं धुआं और हवा जब मिक्स होते हैं तो हवा हवा का प्रॉब्लम होता है यानी ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम होता है मर्क्यूरी इज द लंग्स नाउ यू गेट द रिलेशन so just check in your second house of your house that is the northwest of your house whether any राहु कुछ धुआं लगा है क्या उधर कुछ अगरबत्ती बित्ती लगा है क्या उधर
I will see. No.
check that any grayish bluish blackish thing है क्या उधर any hanging item है क्या curtain है क्या coconut है क्या metallic wind chimes है क्या that is
Northwest Rahu item. I will check. I will note it down.
you don't need to ध्यान में रखो ना northwest you remember that table which I said north से ऊपर that north northeast northwest north is the sixth house fourth house is northeast second house is northwest so northwest में Rahu if you have put Rahu over there that is affecting your father's illness ka house father is your 10th or 9th से 6th is your second so your second house has got activated he is having breath related problem chest related problem breathing related problems he 9th house is the house of Jupiter equator Jupiter का house को मार लग रहा है Jupiter is हवा Jupiter is father Rahu is धुआं बरोबर ना so basically again if you see now see second house and 9th house if you see a chart you realize it is 1-8 का टक्कर because 9th से 6th is 7th second house and second से 8th is this thing so that is a 1-8 का टक्कर which is a very bad टक्कर so just check in your house and also ask them to check because we are not still sure किधर हो रहा है उनके घर में भी देखो तुम्हारे घर में भी देखो second house north west में any राहु related item है क्या है तो निकाल धुआं होगा या कुछ काला ग्रेइश ब्लूइश आइटम रहेगा any electronic item can be there any wind chime can be there any coconut can be there she's frozen
In this case, what to be considered when that area comes under मतलब तिथे डक्ट आहे किंवा तिथे एक्सटर्नली आपले ओडियूज आहेत किंवा असं काही असेल
that will all ODU might come in I think ODU should come in March because it's a mechanical ODU becomes a
and
mechanical
that is not very clean thing ना outside येते घराच्या
so then that means tikde suppose let us say that comes in your Rahu if Rahu comes in that zone then you need to keep that area clean because otherwise you're स्थापित करते Rahu स्थापित करते
But it's outside the house now. So would that be
it is in
considered?
it's like saying your built up area no? It is within your built up area so to say
Okay.
and also your vicinity also comes in your this समजा तुझ्या घराच्या इमिडिएटली बाजूला गार्डन असलं so it is that garden also has repercussions on you and your vastu
Okay.
so if it is like let us say there is a crematorium next very close by then that 8th house आलं तिकडे of crematorium if there's a garden hai so that is Mercury green plants are there so that will be Mercury over there so it's like saying Mercury is in that direction now तिथे कुठल्या direction आहे let us say it comes in your let us say it Let's say south of your house there is a Mercury thing. So south of your house is what? Third house. Third house Mercury is bad. तसं काहीतरी you have
दिस
to-
व्हेरी मच म्हणजे हे थोडंसं असं बाहेरचं जेव्हा आपण स्टडी करतोय आउटसाइड एरिया इट व्हेरी क्लोज टू फेंगशुई ऑल्सो बिकॉज दे लर्न द ड्रॅगन्स आउटसाइड ड्रॅगन म्हणजे माउंटन्स आहेत का नाला आहे का पाणी आहे का लँडस्केप आहे का म्हणजे आतापर्यंत वास्तूमध्ये हे कुठे असं नव्हतं
No.
It'll all finally
पहिल्यांदा
boil down to one track area. I'm quite sure.
सो टोपोग्राफी सगळी स्टडी करायची
Manish, I'm trying to find. There is nothing like northwest is like my bedroom is there in my place. Okay, वहाँ पर ऐसे राहु से related कुछ metallic black big.
Agarbatti, do you put any agarbatti or anything over there?
No, that not in that direction. Then what could else be there?
See, basically the concept, if you think rationally, you have activated your second house, and your father has got breathing related issue. That is one thing. Okay. So what have you done to the second house? Ki this has happened. ऐसा पकड़ो. Don't take it like किया ऐसा. Don't take that onus onto yourself. But I'm just saying, कि something has happened in your second house, and this has happened. So second house में Rahu putting is one item. I'm saying. Second house का items देखो ना. Piggy bank.
Okay, the curtain is also Rahu, na?
Yeah.
The hanging flag kind of a thing.
What color is
That
it?
I have.
What
It
color?
is multicolor, red and all. Like,
No, is it more of a darkish, grayish, bluish?
नहीं. I have bed के पीछे मैंने ऐसे कुछ पैटर्न करके करा है. So, but ऐसे that's reddish.
You have to see, because you'll have to see whether second. See, basically, simple thing is your second house has got activated. So your second house has got activated. तो क्या है उसका repercussion देखना पड़ेगा. Because if he has got breathing related problems, it is Jupiter, Rahu, and Mercury. तो ये तीनों का आइटम देखो ना उधर. We are just trying to catch Rahu, but it could be.
Jupiter का yellowish color is there. Yellow and or red color का ही वो दुपट्टा है. So I'll remove that. Okay.
So Rahu is hanging item.
And then yes, अभी मुझे याद आया. I have a big this thing carpet. उसे मैंने roll करके रखा है. That is brownish shade का. That's a very big one, so I'm not using it. So I have kept it at that corner. I'll remove it from there.
Like that, you will have to actually थोड़ा ना. Actually speaking, I didn't want to go so deep, but अपना discussion ऐसा किया तो we have gone very deep. So I hope it is. तो ये video वापस
But it is very interesting. It's very interesting.
This just came
I'm
up.
just loving it. Yes.
Just came up as a sudden something incident happened and this theorem came up. So, but it is. I think if we can master this technique, then we frankly speaking don't need any chart only. Just बैठे हो and somebody asks you something and then you can ask him ये हुआ है क्या? Once that blue line thing, after some time either we memorize it or it comes into our head. And we can say ये जैसे for example, actually what will happen is like my sixth house का तो मेरे को मेरा sixth line more or less by heart ही हो गया. So as things grow, 12 houses का कुछ ना कुछ तो भी will happen, so we'll be able to relate to that. अच्छा मेरा sixth house होती तो मेरा mother का third house हुआ था, मेरा wife का 12th house हुआ था, मेरे son का second house हुआ था. So then we'll be able to make out. So we'll have to work on this also. I think I'm bombarding you all with too many things.
No, you're not bombarding. In fact, that helps,
Absolutely enjoying, actually.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
And वो जो practice बोल रहा हूँ ना, like for example, if you can see this, actually this full page only. If you can see this page, this entire thing, every morning I get up and I write. That is the practice which I wrote you in the morning.
Riyaz.
Every day I write that. वो चार धाम का, मसनूई का, good bad houses of planet का, okay. Then your vastu directions का, all those things ना ये सब उधर करके, then new things come up. In the morning something new came to my mind. अभी गम्मत बत, जुपिटर का मसनूई ग्रह क्या है? Sun
Jupiter का है Sun and Venus.
and Venus, correct? Because I had said
Yes.
Jupiter is किस्मत. किस्मत के लिए दो चीजें लगती हैं, ऊर्जा, which is sun,
और औरत.
and
हाँ.
औरत behind you, so Venus.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
if you see the friend enmity thing, Sun and Venus are टक्कर enemies.
Not friends. Yes.
Yeah.
तो उसका क्या मतलब है मेरे को?
So that's quite surprising. यानी आपकी किस्मत में मिलेगा भी, but yes.
So I-
Actually, the same thing I was asking you that day, na Manish, that this is moon के हमने 3 निकाले, right?
वो छोड़ दो.
One moon is
the
हाँ,
other
yes.
3 na, just forget about it. I don't want to put it on record. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just switch it off for a minute. So coming back to topic, whatever is given in the grammar, just follow that, which I initially given you. But just keep it on hold.
I want to discuss one chart with you. Can we discuss here after the class or later?
If it's not personal, let do it here in front of you.
No, it's a
She wants to discuss about her moon and that. What is that? Moon and Venus together. So that is
One more thing.
in-laws bet.
One more thing, which I had done long back, I wanted to tell you that I have made, I don't know whether you can see this, but this is a rubber stamp of the Kundali.
Yeah.
Wow.
You had mentioned.
So, like, if you can see this, no, this is a rubber stamp. So, cut करके, if you have to do practice also, no, rather than making it like this, tap करके, like just now also I was doing one case. You know, if you can see this,
Yeah.
in 2 seconds the chart was done. Then you have to fill it up. So, you all can think of doing this. मैंने वो ये बनाया वो ink वाला, but नहीं तो वो top वाला भी बना सकते. That is much cheaper. ये थोड़ा महंगा निकला. Sorry, somebody.
So it's a normal thing. I had asked you last time about his sister. This is about his brother. That the mother wants to know that now he's done his engineering, whether he'll be going outside or master's साठी पाठवायचं का आणि whether he's going to do something with whether he's going to earn with what he has learned त्याच्यातूनच करणार आहे.
So then, if Jupiter is in the first house, basically of his, is Jupiter in his first house?
Jupiter is in the 12th house. Jupiter in Ketu in the 12th house. Moon in the 11th house.
Okay, 12th house, it might give result because that's what that feeling came to me that it might be in the first house. So, because 8th he has to do, he's still studying, is it?
He just finished his engineering.
Okay, degree मिळाली. So then, if Moon is Jupiter is in the 12th house or first house, basically, he has to do work in the education what he has done. So if he has done medical, he should do medical, not get into banking. If he has done engineering, do engineering, don't do architecture. Like that, no? Then he will be successful. So it is either a fakir or a raja. So
And Moon in the 11th house.
So Moon in the 11th house, basically it is the house of friend circle and known circle. So he might end up doing business if he does business or work in the friend circle, known circle contacts or something. So I think that is where his stream of income might come through.
आणि आपण त्याला अब्रॉड स्टडीसाठी पाठवायचं की नाही ते आपण कसं चेक करत होतो लास्ट टाइम.
Then you can use KP for that. You use a 12th cuspal sublot to see the repercussions and see whether 10, 12, 5 for studies if he has to go. Studies के लिए कि for work? Studies.
Masters.
So basically masters is seen from the 9th house. 11th house.
9th house, 12th house you said going abroad, no?
Masters level.
Masters अभ्यास करायला.
4th house, 5th house is for 4th is for undergraduate level, 5th house is for graduation level, and then 9th house is for post graduation level. Okay. Even 8th house for that matter can be considered as research and higher study, but 9th house is house of. So basically, if you see the 12th cuspal sublord, whether 12th cuspal sublord is showing 12, 9, 11, 10 also for that matter, and even 5 is also education related things. So if that is showing, and in case that is moon, the 12th cuspal sublord is moon, then it will be very good because moon is the karak of education.
Which one will it be, you said?
Moon. If it is moon,
Huh.
then it will be better. But again, you have to see whether it's a tenant or untenanted. Then if it is not, if it is untenanted, then you have to see the nakshatra lord of that. So I don't know whether you'll remember all that now. So whichever 12th, एक मिनट समझो 12th कस्पल sublord जो येणार, if in KPOC, if there is a star by the side, that means it is untenanted, whatever hashtag or whatever. If there is nothing over there, that means the 3-level thing, if you remember, the source, the result, and the taste of the result. So you will have to see both. If there is a hashtag or something next to it, then you will have to see this planet and uska nakshatra lord ka script in the nadi significant. If there is nothing over there, then usko hi pakad. तो बेसिकली 12th कस्पल सबलॉट का स्क्रिप्ट देखो और उसमें ये सब प्लैनेट, ये सब हाउसेस है क्या देखो, अगर ये हाउसेस है
Screen.
हाँ
Should I present my screen?
तो केपी का स्क्रीन है
हाँ KP मी काढून ठेवले.
Sujata, you have to give that share screen to allow everyone to like. अच्छा wait,
Yeah.
sorry, I am the host. हाँ कर
Yeah, you're the host.
कर श्रुति कर.
Manish, I'll sign out, please.
Yeah, I was just about to see if anyone is getting late. Please go ahead.
Yeah, can I also?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
Good night,
you.
everyone.
Good
Thank
night.
you.
Preeti ji, you're not keeping too well, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the reason why I want to sign out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay,
I
okay.
am
Take
going.
care. Take
Please
care.
take care.
Thank
Preeti,
you.
मी
Yeah.
पण
Bye
जाते.
all.
yeah, so get well, speedy recovery to your father and Rashmi's too.
Thank you.
Bye, Manish.
Bye. See you.
Bye, Shruti.
Bye.
Bye, Rishikesh.
Hi everyone. Bye Shruti.
Bye everybody. Bye.
श्रुति बोल क्या म्हणते?
So you said, see, this is going to be
हे तुझं ते F2 चालतं का? Does F2 work in your thing?
F2. Let me just give it. नाही नाही F2 ला काहीतरी वेगळाच होता.
See, मेरा भी F2 is not working,
But
Manish.
I think he is given only to me. I think. अभी
Yes.
view horoscope वन सर.
हाँ, new.
View horoscope.
View.
Nadi significators.
Aspects western.
It's Western.
नाही तुझं ते आलेलंच नाही. No, it's not there. It's not there. बरोबर. So 12th Cuspal sublord काय आहे बघ? 12th Cuspal sublord is Mars, ना?
हाँ, Star Lord है. Sublord. हाँ.
Ketu. Okay.
हाँ.
Ketu वरती बघ, Ketu is tenanted, right? Because there is no mark there.
No mark.
So basically, one minute, I'll annotate it. Basically,
Manish, I think
बोलो.
I think I forgot to see this now. I mean, because it's been long
Yeah.
that we have not done anything on
So
this.
Ketu is untenanted over here. So
Oh.
Ketu का nakshatra lord, star lord will give the result.
Mars.
बरोबर. आता if you, so basically क्या है? Ketu is the Cuspal sublord. उसका result will be shown by Mars. So now you open the nadi significator. इकडे जाऊन view horoscope में जाऊन nadi significator आणि त्याच्यामध्ये where is it?
It's
ये show detail.
Mars.
So now if you see Mars का thing over here, with the 12, 9, 3 is away from home.
He did his engineering from Chennai. तर तो anyways घराच्या बाहेर होता गेले 3-4 वर्ष.
That is this 3 away from home. But 12 is again going abroad. 9 is for further studies.
Oh, okay.
Are they going to be taking a loan for his movement, for his education?
Yeah, mostly.
So that is 6. So basically, if you see, yeah, there is a good possibility.
Yeah, okay. ठीक है. Okay. Should I stop sharing my screen? Thank you.
Okay, Manish, again I'll ask, उसमें जो स्टार बना था, जो हैशटैग बना था, What was that?
Whenever a planet is a nakshatra, comes in the nakshatra lord column of any planet, then it is a tenant of that thing. So that is tenanted. So
Okay.
let us say Mars है और Mars इधर किधर भी in the nakshatra lord किसके star lord किसमें दिखा, so that means it is a tenant of that planet.
Okay.
So when it is a tenanted thing, it is like saying it is weak. It's like saying it is weak. So इसका result वो second level का nakshatra lord देगा. कि
Okay.
उसके सामने कोई हैशटैग नहीं है, तो it is untenanted. मुझे वो अपने बाप के घर में रह रहा है, तो it is very strong. तो वो
Okay.
खुद का result खुद ही देगा. यहाँ he is sitting, so it is like saying you are sitting in this person's house. So you have to take this person's permission to do something ऐसा है. तुम खुद के घर में बैठे हो तो you can do whatever you want. Something like that.
तो उसमें जो दो साइन है, एक तो हैशटैग है और एक स्टार है, both means tenanted. Okay. Okay.
If there is a hashtag there or something over there, it means untenanted. अगर नहीं है,
Okay.
जैसे
That means tenanted.
हाँ बाप का घर नहीं है, दूसरे के घर में रह रहा है, ऐसा पकड़ लो. अगर है या नहीं, मेरा है उधर. Remember it.
Okay. है तो आगे है तो there will be a sign. Okay. Got it.
है तो मेरे बाप का घर में मैं बैठा हूँ, नहीं है तो बाप के घर में नहीं बैठा हूँ, ऐसे पकड़ लो.
Also, you remember I spoke to you about his sister also कि आई बापाला खूप हैरान करतात पोरं. So he's also one of those कि we remember telling me कि उनके माँ बाप के कुंडली में केतु और मर्क्यूरी खराब हुआ होगा करके. You remember no telling me this? So you remember? I remember you telling me this. तो आता ह्याचं पण असं आहे की रात्री उठून 2 वाजता गायब व्हायचं कारण गाडी लेके जाणे सीधा.
12th house activated.
आणि आजूबाजूची मुलं मुली पण उचलायच्या आणि त्यांना घेऊन जायचं बाहेर जाऊन स्मोक करायचं ड्रिंक करायचं घरी.
12th house activated. 12th house and 8th house both activated.
12th house is Jupiter and Ketu and 8th house मध्ये कोण?
He is activated his 12th house. Sleep ka disorder is 12th house. Going out and doing all the unnecessary things 8th house and Rahu. So he has activated his Rahu, he has activated his 12th house and also in a way 8th house.
अच्छा मग आपण हे आता राहू फॉर एक्झाम्पल इज इन द 5th हाऊस. ओके. तर मग शुड आय आस्क देम टू रिमूव्ह दोज आयटम्स फ्रॉम देअर हाऊस फ्रॉम द म्हणजे कॅन वी डू समथिंग इन द
His 12th house has only got damage, so you'll have to see what is hitting his 12th house. So actually if you see, okay, 1 minute, very nice. Rahu is in the 5th house. Now this
सॉरी 6th हाऊस सॉरी 5th राशी 6th
5th Rashi 6th house. So it's simple है ना, 6-12 का दृष्टि है ना.
हो बरोबर.
8 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 12.
Rahu and Mars both are in the 6th house and Jupiter and Ketu are in the 12th house. अब पापी ग्रह की तो टोली तो तुम लेके ही बैठे हो with Jupiter.
And Jupiter anywhere is Rahu 6. Jupiter anywhere is bad, right?
जुपिटर राहु का कनेक्शन म्हणजे वो सांस और धुआं का कनेक्शन है. So he might have breathing problem. Does he smoke and all a lot?
Yes.
It seems like.
So he must be having breath problems, asthma problems, lung related problems. Maybe if he's young it might not, but after some time it might show up. But basically कैसे है, another way of looking at it is Jupiter is kismat, Rahu is toxin. So your kismat and toxin have got connected. So how can the kismat blossom? दूसरा is Rahu is loha, Jupiter is सोना gold. सोना और गोल्ड टक्कर लगेगा तो किसको डैमेज होगा? सोने को टक्कर होगा.
Sona.
He's damaging his Jupiter, he's damaging his kismat, he's damaging his lungs, he's damaging his hawa, he's damaging पूरा किस्मत को ही वाट लगा रहा है. So that remedy has to be done that way. So like I told you, 12th house. So just now you're telling me this is in 12th house, right? So his 12th house has got damage. And
मग 12th हाऊसला आपण करायचं का काही तिला विचारायचं का की 12th हाऊस
थोड़ा स्टडी करा लगेल, बट बेसिकली कैसा 6-12 का टक्कर हो गया ना, 6-12 का टक्कर, 8-2-6, 6-12. आणि शनी कुठे बसलाय?
इट्स ऑल पापी एकदम तो असा तो बसलेला आहे. 2nd हाऊस मध्ये शनी आहे.
शनी is hitting the 6th.
तो वो हीटिंग इधर करके सब मतलब.
Tell me one thing, is his 8, 2, 6 and 12 houses occupied.
6 is there, 12 is occupied, right?
8 and 12 is also occupied.
8th and 12th.
And
Eighth
6 also.
8 is
6
not
and
occupied.
12. 6
8
and
is not
12 are occupied.
2, 6, 12 is occupied.
6, 12
Hmm.
and second is occupied.
So 2, 6, 12 occupied, 8 occupied नहीं है, इसलिए वो मर नहीं गया.
बीमारी नहीं है, लॉन्ग बीमारी.
Long term or it's house of death also. So when this complete हो जाता है, it is a complete house of death because 8th house is house of death. 8th house is house of accidents, obstacles, everything. Second house is a Marak house. Second house is called Marak house. Yeah, and it is also the mandir. So you are hitting the mandir with the eighth house ka ulta drishti. From the 6th house is house of illness, accidents, all problematic situation, debts and hidden enemies. And 12th house is also, you know, house of loss and hospitalization, jail and all that. So ये जब बनता है, it is a very bad chaukat. Plus उसके अंदर all the papi grahas है. Second house में Saturn. The second house will go to 6th house. When Saturn is seated in the 6th house, in the second house, whether there is a planet in the 8th house or 12th house, irrespective of that, it will hit that house. I said. So it is dangerous combination. रेमेडी बाद में देखते हैं, बट फिलहाल तो क्या क्या उसका सब आइटम्स इधर उधर है, पूरा घर को एम्प्टी करना पड़ेगा. इसमें से दो निकालो, उसमें से दो निकालो, उसमें दो निकालो, तो क्या बचा क्या.
खूपच त्रास ना, म्हणजे आई बापाला झोपूही देत नाही त्या रात्री पोरं. व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट.
हाँ ऋषिकेश काय म्हणतो.
My Rahu is in the first house, 7th house, Ketu and Jupiter. So Rahu is hitting Jupiter, like the gold and stones you said.
Your father
So-
might have breath related problems, breathing related problems, or even you can have breathing related problems.
म्हणजे right now I don't have. पण
तसं नाही, but does your father have breathing related issues?
he is no more now, but at म्हणजे जेव्हा त्यांना होता तेव्हा होता थोडा.
And did he die of a heart attack?
Yeah.
So Jupiter.
But I was a heavy smoker like 15 years back. So आता तर नाहीये. So
So you have improved that thing, no? See, cigarette is dhua. Jupiter is hawa, lungs. So when you smoke, your lungs are getting screwed over there. So you are damaging your Jupiter
Jupiter.
with your dhua. Now you have stopped that thing. म्हणजे काय केलं तू राहूला काढून टाकलेलं. So your Jupiter has got this thing. And tell me one thing, when you were smoking, was your father alive that time? And after he died, you stopped smoking roughly?
नाही. I stopped in 2008. From 91 I was smoking. 2008 ला मी सोडले.
When did he pass away?
2014. 14.
Yeah, so basically when you were smoking, he was alive, right? So that, if you remember Parso case, I told you that it will affect the grandfather, or if he's not alive.
Father.
Sorry, I was telling Rashmi yesterday. If it will
Yes.
first affect the grandfather. If it doesn't, if he's not alive, it will affect the father. If he's not alive, then it will affect you. So the brunt of it was taken by the father. असं झालं. So Jupiter hitting, it's not a brunt of it, but it is written in your thing. It is like, it's your timetable. You have to live by it. It is not a too smoke केलं म्हणून वडील वारले असं काही नाहीये. वडील मरणार होते तर ह्याच्यामधून दिसतं असं आहे. Look at it that way. You know, like people say, oh, ये तुम्हारी इसमें था इसलिए तुम्हारे पिताजी मर गए. अरे बाबा ऐसा नहीं है. तुम्हारे पिताजी मरने वाले एक कारण से वो तुम्हारे इसमें लिख के दिया है. ऐसे देखो ना, why do you look at it negatively? So basically, anyway, Jupiter hitting Rahu is sure shot breath related problems, asthma, bolo, whatever, and mostly it ends up in a heart attack, death because of heart attack. So आता तुझ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये Jupiter and Rahu असे कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये आहेत, तर you have to see to it that your lungs are kept healthy. So pranayam करायचं, exercise करायचं, whatever it is, and हे नाही करायचं. Obviously no smoking and all that. You have to take care, otherwise you will have a breathing related issue, which can lead to a heart attack. So you have to be careful. Plus, Rahu is in the first house, right? So Rahu first house is not a bad this thing, but Rahu chata, if you see the basically Rahu Ketu make a Venus. सो व्हीनसचं राहू केतू जर बघितलं तर व्हीनस इन द फर्स्ट हाऊस विल बी बॅड सनच्या हाऊसमध्ये, बरोबर ना. प्लस राहू, इफ यू सी राहू नेगेटिव्ह इज मेड अप ऑफ मार्स अँड मर्क्युरी, बरोबर. राहू नेक इज मेड अप ऑफ
MMR. MMR.
MS ना. MMR
राहु ने, हाँ ठीक है
शनि
दैट इज शनि. सो इसमें वो आइडियल
Mars
नेट इज मार्स एंड सैटर्न. हाँ
Mars and Saturn, MS. So Saturn is niche over there, Mars is उच्च over there. So तो राहू जो तिकडे बसलेला आहे, राहू in the first house is equal to saying like you have got this thing Saturn and Mars over there. Mars तर Marsच घर आहे, it's a Rashi Lord, co-lord. So Mars is okay, but Shani sitting over there will cause a problem. So Shani sitting in the first house can give you health-related problems. It can also give you mental, uneasiness at times, like depression sort of a thing. असं पण होऊ शकतं. व्हायलाच पाहिजे नाही. So basically, you have to see to it that you do not have Shani in the east of your house or Rahu in the east of your house. So Rahu-related items in your office, in your house, नसायला पाहिजे. Shani-related items in your
East line.
east, because असं आहे ना, north, south, east, west. So the east comes in the first house. So तिकडे ते
So feeding the crows is one of the remedy.
नाही, तुझं Shani is not damaged. Where is your Shani seated?
Shani is seated with moon in the 10th house.
So it is not in a bad house.
No,
Of course, feeding.
moon is bad over there.
But see, feeding, that's what I was trying to say sometime, right? Generally only whether Saturn basically is a bad planet. कुठेही बसला असेल तर तो तिकडे दुःखच देतो. So if Saturn is on your side, Rahu is on your side, Ketu is on your side, and Mercury is on your side. If चार जे danger planets if they're on your side, major तरी enemies आपण शांत केलेत ना, मग मांडवली करून टाकलं असं झालं. So for Saturn, what you have to do? Crow. बरोबर, crow.
Yeah.
or Mercury is any bird or any plant. त्याचं जे मी लिस्ट दिलेली ते मर्क्युरी मध्ये बघ, जे झाड असेल त्या झाडाला पाणी देऊ शकतो if you want. Mercury is generally this thing. Be nice to that. Ketu is dog, so feeding a dog, that is there. So हे जे चार राहू, शनी, राहू, केतू आणि मर्क्युरी या चौघांना जर शांत ठेवलं, irrespective of wherever they are in your chart, it will help you. But in your Vastu, you have to see that in the north, these two things are not there, Saturn and Rahu. तिथे मी लिस्ट दिलेली त्याच्यामधून बघ, if anything is there in your house or office, remove it. Okay, चलो, we have spent 2 hours today. मला वाटतं अर्धा तासात होईल. We can quite a long session, but this is an interesting thing. So I think.
Yeah, once we sit on cases, it's more interesting.
yes.
ऐसे फेरोस पढ़ने में मजा नहीं आता. वो जब भी एप्लीकेशन आते तो मजा.
हाँ, so that blue line thing ना, that and the Vastu related thing, ये अगर अपने को आने लगा ना, तो it's a chartless prediction and remedy भी हो जाएगा. Remedy तो अपने को मालूम नहीं है क्या करने के लिए. So just start documenting it from now. And now that this theory is fresh in your mind, no, just now when you just lie down in bed for 15-20 minutes, just think over it.
So what I'll do is now, Manish, I'll remove that carpet from there, the northwest, and I'll remove that Jupiter item also from there, and I'll see the changes in my dad in 24 hours. So these two I'll do at my end.
Give 1 or 2 days, but
yes,
it can be instantaneous also. But like I said, these repercussions, I think within a week to a month का रहता है. But if we know it earlier, the better. जितना जल्दी करो उतना better.
ठीक.
So
I'll
just
do
think
that.
over it and I'll upload the video in some way. Okay.
Yes. Thank
Chalo,
you.
bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good night.